And now you got theme info. Theme info is what you're gonna appear in your themes menu on Go Launcher. So what is your theme name? Now here is where you can choose whatever name you want. So I was Cupcake, right? So now I can make it Chrome Cupcake. Name it whatever. This will be the title of the theme. What we were editing before was the package name. So the theme title, that's gonna be the displaying name, the title. So you can name this to whatever you want. You got those things. Theme info. You can change the version to whatever. Developer. By the way, you're gonna find in before every single thing. Don't worry about that. Just keep it, don't delete it. You could make put your own website and stuff. Just don't delete the N before the text. Okay. So that should be done. So basically that's it. Once you edit those XML files, you are ready for the resources. Okay, now we gotta take care of the resources. You got Drawful, Drawful HDPI, Drawful LDPI, MDPI. Now, what is the difference between HDPI, LDPI, MDPI? Those are different sizes. HDPI is the highest, which you're gonna find icons that are all. Okay, you're gonna find icons that are all 72 by 72 pixels. Now, all you're gonna need to change in those two folders is your theme icon. So this is the icon of your theme. The icon that represents your theme. So that'll be 32 by 32 for LDPI. MDPI will be 48 by 48. Now we go to Drawful HDPI. Now here's everything. This is where you'll be editing everything. So I haven't included a lot of icons, but to do that, you're gonna need to go back to an XML file. I think it should be in resources, wait, values. No, it should be in SRC. I mean assets. Yeah, it should be in assets. It's called app filter. Here's where you can add your own theme, your own. Wait, what happened? Yeah, here's where you can add your own icon, your own whatever. So I've included some icon labels and codings from Go. So for example, you got calendar. You want to add this icon to your resources file. Just make a new picture with the same pixels, which is 72 by 72, and it should be labeled calendar. So you make a new PNG file. Make a new PNG file and in your resources HDPI folder. Just make a new picture and name it as calendar, and it will change that. So and so on. You want to add phone, calendar, just as long as it's the same names that I provided. So you can add clock, settings, browser, camera, whatever. So yeah. Now here's where it gets kind of tricky. If you want a corresponding theme preview with your theme, you're gonna need to package it. I'm gonna show you now. Just before this, yep, I've been asked about 9 patch files, which are gonna look like label.9.png. Now these are Java patches. Okay. Yep. So these are Java patches. Those black lines. Those black lines basically give you a margin, sort of that sort of thing. So this is the area that you'll be able to edit. This area between the black lines. Be sure to not exceed the black lines. So don't exceed this dot. Don't exceed this line or this. Just edit what's in the middle. And yeah, that's basically it. You gotta change that and test it. Now, to do the export, you're gonna have to first edit dopath.bat. Just edit it with Notepad++. Set it to your Java JDK. So go to go to computer, program files, and go Java, JDK, dub, and then enter the bin, and just click here, copy the path, and insert it here. Okay. Here you gotta enter the place of your workspace, which is where your trunk folder is. So here, it's located in my flash. Just copy that and insert it here. Note: do not add a path contains spaces. So, for example, you might have placed your theme or your trunk folder in new folder. Now this cannot work. This little space right here. So you gotta change it. You gotta make a new place that has a path of no spaces at all. If you put spaces and you export it, you will end up with some kind of error with images and stuff telling you about the Android key store and whatever. So just make sure to not have any spaces in your path. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. So once you've done that, go to your where were we? Yeah, so once you've done that, go to your sign, edit it with Notepad. Now here, go, yeah, up to this bit. Project path, Canary Island by Chrome Cupcake. Here's gonna be the name of your .apk. So it's gonna make sure to keep this slash sign.apk. Wait, make sure to keep that slash sign.apk. Okay, keep it. Don't delete it. Just edit what's before it. So here, I'm gonna name it, for example, Chrome Cupcake.apk. Chrome Cupcake. Save it. Close it. And now you are ready for the final step, which is to export. All that you gotta do is you gotta make all. You have this make all .bat. Just run it, and keep an eye out for the CMD that's gonna pop up, because it will tell you about any errors, anything wrong with the thing. Should be going alright if you have followed my steps correctly. It might take some time, but you gotta stay patient. And there we go, our successful APK. So we got it here, and you're ready to install it on your device. And just don't forget, once you install it, take a screenshot of your theme and re-edit your theme by going to HDPI and editing the theme preview. Then you gotta package it all over again, and you should be done with a 100% successful theme. I hope that this guide worked out for you. I know I'm not the best tutor. I know that I made some I was a little worried and nervous while doing this, but anyways, I hope you were able to understand my points. Be sure to give me a like. I'm not begging, but just cheers me up. So just give me a like or whatever, or subscribe. And yeah, this has been Chrome Cupcake. And if you have any problems, be sure to mention it in the comments, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. This has been Chrome Cupcake from Tech7. Peace.